want to show you in real time how fast and easy it is to install the Axletrac alignment tool. Install one of the extension tubes at the 12 o'clock position, back it off a quarter of a turn. The other at the 6 o'clock position, back it off. Install the span bar, re-snug the extension tubes, and this has become one unit, solid as a rock. Self-centered, extended axle. If you've used other types of these tools, you probably realize that we didn't have to remove the hubcap or this tire inflation system. Nor does it matter that this rim has been damaged and that could possibly affect the accuracy of some of the rim-mounted devices. And speaking of accuracy, I'd like to show you exactly how we tested this tool and what the results were for accuracy. Of course, we set up a dial indicator, started the tool in a vertical position, rotated it 180 degrees. That gave us the amount of in-play or wobble. Then we recorded that measurement over 500 times on different settings. Once we did that, we averaged it, then divided it by 2, because half of the wobble is on the back side of the tool, half is on the front side. That reading averaged out to 0.0362. That is less than a millimeter, slightly over a 32nd of an inch. And that falls well within the guidelines of all suspension OEM technical data sheets for alignment procedures.